Yeah, go ahead. Go back down. That's okay. There's a lot of people, I take all the disable left frames. I'll pull over, so the door's straight in. And keep the chassis in. Here's a look at the wood frame that was inside the driver door. Seen better days. Little intricate cuts there. Anyway, the door itself, well, the bottom end of the door is free of all wood. Next step, I have to peel back these lips to get these pieces off, and in turn get these pieces off so I can mount them to the new wood and place them. Same thing with the bottom. Fold this back, take these, put screws into the new wood, put it back in, fold them over, done. But before that, or maybe after that, I have to do some measuring and replace this whole bottom section. Moose? Hi! Let's show these peeps what's up. So, finished metalwork on the driver door. Came out pretty nice. And then I realized I sprayed it and forgot to make this top piece to hold the wood in place. So I'll be sanding down this top part again, no big deal. The metalwork for the driver door is done. Didn't come out too bad. I remade this whole little inset piece for the bottom hinge. I had to do it by hand since I don't have a press or a dolly or anything like that. We made this top piece up to about here. So I'll drill some holes up here so I can nail it into the wood. But yeah, let's go to the lumber yard and see what we can find. And it's starting to rain here, so I gotta pack this up anyway. It's perfect timing. So I'm taking the bench out so that I can put the door on and get it adjusted. And look what I found. It's one of the bumpers for the table, the three-way table. What else do we got? Let me get this chair out and we'll go looking through stuff. All right, there's your quote of the day. Don't die wondering. Or it was more, and I'm not remembering correctly.